Hey there, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, back with another math lesson. Module 2, Lesson 8, we're going to solve one-step word problems involving metric weights. Okay? Quick one today, very quick one today, because what we are doing is we're going to start getting word problems, and in those word problems, they are going to have some weights, and we're going to have to understand what's being asked, break down those word problems, and solve some problems. So I have two for us to do. Let's see what the first one says. I have some stuff kind of written up already just to kind of help me out. It says, each journal weighs about 280 grams. What is the total weight for 3 journals? A journal is kind of like maybe a notebook or a little, something that you want to write in. So each journal weighs 280 grams. What is the total for 3 journals? All right, so we know I have 3 journals, 1, 2, 3, boom. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to put 280 G, because we're talking in grams. I'm going to come here, journal number 2, 280 G, boom. Number 3, 280 G. So there's my 3 journals right there, okay? 280 grams, each of them. Now, I have numerous ways to figure this out. There's 2 ways, actually I say there's 2 ways to do it. We can add these up, 280 plus 280 plus 280. We can add those up like that. Or we can come over here and take 280 grams times 3 journals. Okay, so I showed you 2 ways of figuring out this math problem. All right, let's do the addition here. 0, 0, 0. We know 8 plus 8 gives us 16, and if we count up 8 more, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I put the 4 down, and I carry the 2. And now we're just going to count by 2's right now. We got 2, 4, 6, 8. 840 what? You guessed it, 840 grams. So put that G down there. Okay? So that was solving that by addition. Let's solve it by multiplication. Okay? So 3 times 0, we know anything times 0 equals 0. 3 times 8, that's 3 8s. So that's 8, 16, 17, 18, 24. I put my 4 here. I carry my 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And if I add 6, count up 7, 8. 840 grams. Okay? I solved it 2 ways there. But this is just showing how to break down a word problem. Take what you're given and solve the problem. It was a pretty easy one. So we know that she had 840 grams of journals. That was what the weight was for that. Okay? Let's tackle one more. All right, this one's talking about smoothies. All right, Miss Jones buys 453 grams of strawberries. She has 23 grams left after making smoothies. How many grams does she use? Okay, so we want to know how many grams of how many grams of strawberries did she use to make her smoothies? So we know some things. We know that she had 453 grams of smoothies, or excuse me, of strawberries. Okay, and I kind of like to use this tape diagram here. Okay, so we know she used, and I'm just going to kind of make a little. This is where she used all of those strawberries to make her smoothies. Okay, and we know she had 23 grams left. Okay? So how much did she use? When I hear how much did she use or how much was left, it automatically makes me think of, yep, subtraction. So I'm going to subtract here. So I know she started with 453 grams of strawberries, and she had 23 grams left. So if I set up a basic addition, or excuse me, a basic subtraction problem, this will figure it out. So if she started with 453 grams of strawberries, she was left with 23 grams of strawberry, meaning whatever we get here is going to be what she used. So 3 minus 3, we know is 0. 5 minus 2, we know is 3. Bring that 4 down. So 430 grams is what she used right here in our tape diagram. 430 grams is what she used. Okay? She used 430 grams, and she had 23 grams left over. Okay? That's just a basic word problem today. That's all we were kind of tackling in terms of our lesson. Head over to the exit ticket. You know the routine. Jump in there. Work on those word problems. I will provide feedback as quick as I can, and I will see you guys soon.